Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I apply my color. Okay, so you're going to start with your bowl, your hair dye, and your developer, and you're going to mix with your brush until you have a peanut butter kind of yogurty consistency. I have here the Revlon Barrier Cream. It's so that your skin doesn't get dyed, but if you don't have this, which I am aware that most of you might not have this, just go ahead and use some coconut oil or Vaseline. If you get it on your hair like I did here, just try and wipe it off as much as you can. I have a towel here. I'm going to keep it more realistic to what you're going to have at home, and just use a clip or an elastic to hold it together. Now here I'm showing you where my gray hair line is. Now if you're a brunette, that's okay if you go over that line, but if you're a blondie and you need glasses, you put on those bad boys and you make sure that you stay close to that line, especially if you have highlights. But if you're a brunette, you can grab those glasses and throw those puppies out. And you're gonna want to separate your hair into 4 sections. And you're gonna want to go from the middle top to the back of your ear right there. And just put a clip or an elastic there to separate it. And you're going to want to do the same thing for the other 3 sections. Once you're done separating your hair, you're going to want to take one of the clips out or elastic, grab your hair dye, and I don't have gloves, I'm showing you here, so just be very careful and then go wash your hands right after. And then just take your time, one section at a time. I just start by going around the hairline, and then we're gonna do some slices. And just so you know, I didn't have a mirror in front of me, so sometimes I was a little bit off of where I put the hair dye, but I'm a brunette, so that does not matter. Who's having more fun now? I didn't really want to speed up this process or this video too much for you because I really wanted you to see what you have to do. So here I am slicing. You grab one side so that it's more flat, and then you grab the other side and apply some color to that as well. And you just continue doing little slices all the way down. Alright, one side is finished, and you're gonna switch your hair all the way over and take off the clip on the other side and start by the hairline again and repeat the process. now that this quarter is done, we're gonna do the same thing in the back, around the hairline and through the middle, and we're going to be taking out one of the elastics. I'm gonna turn around for you. Again, I don't have a mirror, so I'm just going with the feel of the cold dye. And I do really apologize, some of it at the top is kind of cut off. I didn't realize I was too close to the camera, but I am trying here. Trying to show you that maybe you can do this at home. I know that we're all going through some hard times, and I just want you to stay positive, and you know, there's things that you can do at home, then do it to keep your mind occupied from all this craziness. So basically I'm going all around the hairline first. I'm keeping the elastic in, and then I'm removing the elastic, and then I'm slicing all the way down. Once you are done that section, you just bring all the hair down again, and you can either take off the hair elastic or leave it on. I decided to take it off at this time, but if you decide to leave it on because you feel more secure that you can go around the hairline that way and then take it off, that's fine too. If you have blonde hair, like I said at the beginning, we have to stay close to that line. What I would recommend is definitely have a mirror at the front and the back of you so you can really see where you are putting that hair dye. Okay, and you're just going to wait. If you are just doing roots and you have gray hair, I would recommend you wait for 45 minutes. And if you're doing roots and toner, then you're going to want to wait 30 minutes for your roots, and then you're going to apply the toner for 15 minutes. Okay, and at this point, I want you to grab your spray bottle with water. I just want you to damp it a little bit just so that it slides the color better for you. Just gonna grab slices and apply the toner all the way down. If you're feeling like a little piece is too dry, just grab your spray bottle and just wet it a little bit, no big deal. And that's it. You're just going to continue doing the same thing all the way down and all the way around. At this point, you should be looking super sexy. If you don't have gloves, go wash your hands. and you just wait your 15 minutes and you go wash your hair. And that's it, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video, that this video was helpful to you. Stay home, stay safe, stay positive. We all need to do this together. Love you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.